Good morning, everybody. It's a bit out of order, but welcome to Finland. Yesterday, as you might have seen, or as you might see right now, I don't know, it was shit weather. It was raining, it was dark, it was moody. I was not much better. Today, the forecast says, look at the sky, it will be the same shit as before. Now it will be beautiful. Finland is pretty. I'm not sure how photogenic this countryside is, because it is very flat, but at the same time it's like from fairy tale. For next week or so we have about 2 kilometers of ascent, regardless which way I go. But the one that I've chosen seems to be the most average, which is suited to my build and capabilities. And now back to our regular scheduled programming, watching the landscape with Marek. In the middle of nowhere. Let's see if they take carts. Might be fun. It's supposed to be a reindeer farm. I don't think I need a reindeer meat, but who knows? I'm fucking bitten everywhere. Well, hello my friends. Where are we? In the middle of nowhere of Sweden. Let me fix it up for you. There's a reindeer farm, as you might have seen, and they are open. They take carts, which is good. And I got a coffee and some sweet stuff, which is nice. Inside I have a shop selling a bunch of stuff from reindeer bones and reindeer skin, like the shoes and traditional knives and stuff like that. Would love to buy everything, but it's a bit expensive, at least now. But it is so quiet here. Like, after pedaling for so long through just forest, it's nice. Like this came in handy. If you're on a motorcycle, like I would, or even on a bicycle, I would definitely suggest to stop here. And on the way, like throughout the forest, there's a bunch of places by the rivers and creeks where you can camp out and no one will see you. It's quite awesome. The lady here doesn't speak English, but like you can point at stuff and make sounds, and that's enough. So yeah, now let me enjoy my coffee and we will continue. There's about, what was it? About 70 or 80 kilometers left to get to the city that I want to, and hopefully we will get there before the rain starts. What the fuck? Like 5 seconds ago, just everything dripping wet, and now what the fuck? Don't judge me. Finally arrived in the weird city. Let's see what's at the end of the road. Finally, over of today. I mean, but this is where I will be camping. It's fucking impressive. Yeah. Well, good morning. I'm still in the tent. It's like, I think it's almost 8 a.m. Today I don't plan to do too much, like 90 kilometers max. There seems to be a beach on a map, so hopefully I will be able to sleep there. Not like today where I had to pedal like a crazy. And I'm trying to boil some water for drinking and for breakfast. And the reason why I'm all doing this in a tent, I'll try to show you. It's scary, but I don't know if it will be visible on the cam, so bear with me. Do you see them? So those motherfuckers. Oh, there's more. Oh, what a fun it is in Scandinavia in July. Yeah. So I have lots of new friends, so you don't have to worry about me at all. At all. Yeah. So water's boiling. I will get a breakfast. Jesus Christ! I need to sleep. I slept like 4 hours. And then we'll go again. See you. Good. Back on the road again. It seems like I was the last one, almost last one, from the parking lot. I think the other ones were just fishermen, so I might as well be the last one. At the end of the street we are going to the right and continuing for like 90 kilometers. I thought of making a detour for about 10 kilometers and either make a hike or take a cable cart up a mountain, but I'm not sure about that. I can still feel the knee and it might be good to take one day a bit easier. I'm a bit reddish. And so my friends, this was another day, another crazy day. There wasn't much of a videos that I would make, but I was just riding and trying to relax. I think it's, what time is it? It's like 8 o'clock or 8 p.m. Yeah, I think I might have said it. Finland has no summertime, so it was a bit of a surprise for me. I'm basically done with Finland. It is very lovely country. If you're into cycling, even motorcycling, or biking, I would highly recommend this country. I will give them A minus. Super flat, super beautiful, but the roads need a bit of work. It's a bit annoying to get a bump every 5 seconds. And some of the potholes in a shape of snake you can lose a wheel in, so not ideal. Otherwise very pretty. Weather was fine. Currently I'm somewhere on the borders with Sweden. Tomorrow we are moving to Sweden. Any tips I would give for this country? They also take cards almost everywhere. I don't have cash yet, but I think they take euros if you need to. Unfortunately, the souvenir shop here was closed. The one when I entered Finland was open, and they had beautiful things like you cannot imagine. And for some reason, a lot of silver stuff and jewelry. And so it might be that like it's famous in Laplands. I don't know. Bike so far holds up well. I still have some troubles with the brakes, but I'm tweaking that out. And yeah, I'm trying to make my dinner. It's supposed to be rice with beans and some sausages. The rice is waiting outside, and the beans and sausages are getting ready. So I'm quite hungry. Yeah, and so this has been Finland. Tomorrow we will go to Sweden and so on. Have a lovely night. Bye bye, guys.